Hello, my viewers. Take a look at this channel that has been generating good earnings by uploading videos of fruits from Chinese apps to YouTube, and in return, earning significant revenue and gaining millions of subscribers. Similarly, another channel has gained over 1 million subscribers and generates substantial monthly revenue simply by copying and pasting Chinese fruit videos. Yes, it's happening. And the best part? They don't receive any copyright strikes because YouTube is banned in China, so they are taking advantage of that. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to upload videos like this on YouTube without encountering any copyright issues or facing monetization problems in the future. Let's dive in. First, open Google on your phone and search for the Kaishu app. Find any APK website and hit the download button. Once downloaded, install it on your mobile device. Next, go to Google and search for English to Chinese Google Translator. For example, type fruit satisfying in English, then copy the Chinese translation. Open the Kaishu app, go to the search bar, paste the copied Chinese text, and search. You will find a variety of fruit videos. Pick any video you like, go to the share option, and copy the video link. Now search for a Kaishu video downloader on Google, paste the link, and download the video. Similarly, you can find videos on other themes, like fruit farming. Use Google Translate to get the Chinese translation, search in the Kaishu app, and download the videos you need. Now, go to ChatGPT and input details relevant to your video. For instance, if you downloaded a video about plums, ask ChatGPT to write a script about the top 5 benefits of plums. Keep it short and engaging by refining the script as needed. ChatGPT will provide a short script that we can edit by adding a hook line at the beginning, like, "Do you know the top 5 benefits of plum fruit?" With your script ready, use 11 Labs, a free text-to-speech software. Choose a suitable voice. A DOM is a good choice. Paste your script and generate a voiceover. Once your voiceover is ready, click on this download icon to download it. When you have a video of fruit and the voiceover, it's time to edit the video. Import the downloaded video into CapCut and drag it to the timeline. Right-click on it and click on Extract Audio, then delete the extracted audio from the timeline. After that, again, click on Import and import the voiceover. Add the voiceover to the timeline. You can download multiple videos from that Chinese app. For tutorial purposes, I have downloaded only one video, so I will split the extra part of my voiceover. Now we have to add captions to keep viewers engaged. Click on the text feature, and then click on Auto Captions. Follow the instructions to select and apply a quick template. Adjust text color and animations to make your video visually appealing. As you can see here, there is some text written in the Chinese language which is ruining the look of our video. So to hide it, I click on Stickers and search for Subscribe. I pick whichever sticker looks good and place it here, so the Chinese text will also be hidden and it will look good too. And just like that, your monetizable short video is ready to be uploaded to YouTube. By following these steps, you can create engaging and profitable YouTube content effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Check out the results.
Do you know plum fruit's top 5 benefits? 1. High in antioxidants. Protects against chronic diseases by neutralizing free radicals. 2. Improves digestion. Rich in dietary fiber and natural laxatives to promote regularity.